Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to create a short slide in PowerPoint that actually feels interactive? I'm talking about buttons that look like they are clicking. In this video, I will show you how to design that exact button click animation, and trust me, it looks way more advanced than it actually is. Alright, let's start. First, insert a round rectangle and drag it to the size of a button. Remove the shape outline and pick color from shape field. Right click the shape, select edit text and type S. Change the font and increase the size so the button looks bold and clear. Now open shape effect, go to shadow, choose inner shadow and slightly increase the distance and blur. This gives the perfect base button look. Duplicate this button 3 times and change the letters to W, O and T. Select all the buttons and distribute them horizontally using a line. Next, duplicate the all buttons again. Remove the shadow from this copy. Go to preset option and select the shiny preset file. This becomes the ref version of the button. Place it above the original buttons. Insert a cursor icon from the icons menu and place it near the first button. Go to animation and choose rise up from mode entrance effect. Press OK. Now duplicate the cursor and place it near the other buttons as well. Open the animation pane, select all 4 buttons and apply the disappear animation. Open effect option, enable the click sound and hit OK. Set all of them to start after previous. Now organize the timing. Each rise up animation should be followed immediately by its corresponding disappear. So it will go like this: rise up, then disappear, rise up, then disappear. Next, add the short explanation for strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Apply the appear animation to each text box. Set each one to start after previous, so they show up right after the button disappear. When everything is aligned, your entire button click chain is ready. Now, start the slideshow to see the full interactive experience in action. And that's how you create a clean, model and fully interactive soft button animation in PowerPoint. Even though it looks like advanced UI design, it's actually just a smart combination of shadow, layering and real-time animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint effects like this. And tell me in the comments which animation you want to learn next. I am always ready your suggestion.